Now, KLBK's first warning weather with meteorologist Jack Maney.
It's been pretty cold the last several days, but we're going to continue to slowly improve our weather conditions over the next couple of days. But then another storm system's looking possible later on towards the end of this week, and that could have some impacts for your Thanksgiving holiday. Now, let's get right into what we're seeing outside right now. This morning, starting out yet another chilly and a little bit humid start to the day. You can see actually a little bit of fog has been developing out there. Nothing too terribly dense here in the hub city right now, but a little bit of that mist out there. This is going to be in the form of freezing fog, and that could actually start condensing and forming a few slick spots, especially on bridges and overpasses this morning. So just in case you are heading out there on your morning commute to start out your Monday, you might want to leave a minute or two early just so you can be on the lookout, extra vigilant. A little bit of an ounce of prevention is a pound of cure for sure. So 25 degrees this morning, west-northwesterly winds light at 7 miles per hour, and the humidity value continuing to rise at 88% as the temperature and the dew point continue to converge a little bit closer together, and we could see a little bit more of that fog with some patchy dense fog out there this morning. Now we're starting out with mostly middle to upper 20s, a few 30s out there to the south and east, but most of us are below freezing once again this morning with those light winds coming out of the west. Wind chill values feeling more like the middle teens out towards the north and west. As low as 13 degrees is what it feels like out in Clovis. The rest of us mostly upper teens to lower 20s is what it feels like outside. Definitely the kind of morning you will want to stay bundled up at least for the first half of the day, and jackets are definitely going to be good to take with you for your day on your Monday. Here's those freezing fog advisories, not technically including the Lubbock metro right now. That's especially for folks down to the south and west where the visibilities and the density of that fog are going to be quite a bit on the higher end compared to what we're seeing here in Lubbock, but still just always good to advise caution and just leave a couple of minutes early this morning just so you can take it a little easier on the roads. Otherwise, this afternoon, once we get that fog out of here, it's going to be a much nicer day than we've seen the last couple. We'll get up into the upper 50s, 57 degrees outside with fair skies, lots of sunshine. Really, all things considered, it's going to be a fairly nice day, especially if you like your temperatures a little bit more on the cool side. One of those where it feels a little bit warmer out there in the sunshine, but then when you get in the shade, it feels a little bit chilly. Jacket's probably going to be a good idea for most of the afternoon. A lot of spots getting up into the upper 50s, a few low 60s, especially out there in the rolling plains. Really a nice day coming up for your Monday. And as we look ahead towards the end of this week, though, that's when we're going to see our next storm system. You can see for the first half of the week, jet stream off towards the north, very flat. Not much variation from north to south with our flow in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Usually that doesn't mean much is happening, but then storm system dives in and quickly becomes a powerful, deep trough of low pressure, and depending on exactly where this sets up is exactly what our impacts are going to be. Right now we have continued to trend drier with this system, but if we see that cutting off and splitting off a little bit further to the west, that would actually allow some of that low pressure's energy to interact with our area and potentially bring a tiny bit of precipitation. But right now, the way things are looking, we should stay mostly dry, and the cold front's going to be coming in from the northwest. This is going to be more of a North Pacific kind of air instead of Arctic air, so it's going to have at least a decent punch to it, but probably not nearly as cold and biting as that wind we had out there or for the end of last week. Temperatures not really going to be falling too far below freezing, and we'll be looking at a cool and quite breezy Thanksgiving Day. Your forecast right now looking like we'll get up to a high temperature of about 54 degrees, staying windy. At least we'll have some sunshine, breezy and cool conditions for your Thanksgiving Day, and we can't completely rule out a couple of showers in a few spots because of that storm system diving in, but it looks like we're going to probably be keeping it more on the dry side, just a 10% chance to cover all of our bases on Thanksgiving Day, and then we'll be right back up into the 60s Friday, Saturday, and into the weekend. Black Friday looking like it's going to be a good day to get out there, but the wind might be just a little bit